Today we will be unboxing the Honeywell PD45S0C. Uniquely designed using minimum internal mechanical parts and an all-metallic frame structure, PD45S/PD45 is sturdy and durable. This gives our printer a tough, compact, and sleek appearance, suitable for use in a wide range of settings and applications. It is suitable for manufacturing, retail, transportation and logistics, healthcare, and government applications. The PD45 is made with dual sensor technology for precision printing. First, we are going to open the media cover to reveal inside of the unit. Inside we have the media holder, ribbon supply, ribbon rewind, printhead lift level and printhead module. The media installation instructions can be found inside as well. The PD45 is easy to replace printheads, ribbons, rollers, simple cleaning and maintenance, quickly load/reload media. Here, we are inserting the roller, then routing the media through the print mechanism, through the front. Next, route the ribbon through the print mechanism and pull out approximately 20 centimeters of ribbon leader. Turn the ribbon take-up hub counterclockwise until the ribbon becomes tight and runs wrinkle-free through the print mechanism. This is the media and dancer guide, gap and black mark sensor adjustment handle. At the back panel we have the Wi-Fi module slot, Ethernet port, RS-232 serial port, USB driver port, USB host port, on-off switch and AC power. This is the front panel. The front panel includes a LED indicator and one print button. After the printer completes the startup process, the ready screen appears. By default, the screen displays the printer command language. You can customize the screen to display different kinds of information. Next, we are going to print out a test print. The PD45S is reliable, high-speed, stable, high-volume label printing, compact size, easy to operate and configure. Here are some specifications of the PD45S industrial printer. For any inquiries, you may find our contact in the description box. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today for more upcoming videos.